Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? I just woke up and brushed my hair pretty well, and it's just kind of frizzy, and I want to do a review today on a product that my husband got me for my birthday. I love it so much. It is the Revlon 2-in-1 dryer and styler. So I'm going to try it on my hair and let's see how well this product actually works. So let's get started. First, I'm going to clip my hair up and do it in sections. I will admit that I have tried this already. I did it the other day just to try it and loved it. So it's got different sections on here that you can go to cool, low, or high heat. So we're gonna do, let's start with high heat. Let's just do it. Again, brush your hair first. I twist it at the end. Get those ends curling. Might want to come one time on top just to smooth it, but go back under. You want to get some light video. Hold it for a second. One more time. Now it's warming up. Getting hot. I like to take the hair in the front. Take it and roll it. It's going to come up and out. Just this side. I like to take a chunk right here and just go back with it. You can see, hold on. Okay, you can see I have not really done that much. I don't have a lot of hair, and it's off right now, but it's still really warm. But you can see already it's made my hair a lot smoother and just put a sheen to it without any product in it. Okay, I'm going to put it back on, but this time I'm going to put it on low heat and go at it again. Okay, this is low heat. Okay, let's get the sides. Kind of I love this brush. I'm already going to give it 2 thumbs up. Again, it just gives, I have black hair so it's hard to kind of see, but it just gives a sheen to it without putting any product in it yet. Now you can put your product in, I'm not saying you don't have to do that. Love that. Just swirl the end. Yes, darling. Alright guys, it's really that that simple. I don't have a lot. I have really thin hair, so it does for me give me volume and just feels really smooth and clean. This is probably the best product I could have got for my birthday. I will use this every day, so I do encourage you guys, if you're looking for a product like this, Revlon knocked it out the park. Let me know what you guys think, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped. Thanks, guys.